Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 95th episode in the space series. So today in space we are going to discuss about a thing known as naked singularities. So you know the singularities, right? The things inside black holes which are infinitely dense and pull everything inside including light itself. Yes, those things. So if you don't know about this, just a quick summary. So this is a black hole. It's a black and it has a hole. So it will kind of suck everything inside of it. It has a very hard big gravitational force. It will even pull in light. Yes. So there are two main layers for this. Two main regions. The outside or just the point of no return. The event horizon. Meanwhile, in the center, somewhere in the center, there is one singular point known as a singularity. So this singularity is very dense. It is infinitely dense. That's why a black hole is that massive. Yes. So these are the basics of black holes. So, but what are naked singularities? Let's begin. Let's use another color. Okay, so I told you about that. So a naked singularity is just a singularity without its outside event horizon at all. Just a zero-dimensional singularity. The shape of this singularity kind of depends on what type of black hole it is. If the black hole is not rotating at all, it is just a zero-dimensional point in space-time. Yes. Meanwhile, if the black hole is rotating at any speed whatsoever, it will be in a ring. We can't see both of them because a zero-dimensional thing has no breadth, no width, or nor any height. And these things, even if they have two of those three dimensions, they are infinitely thin. Infinitely means this fraction thin, which kind of almost has no value. So close to zero, but not zero at all. Yes. So, yeah. So, but how can these things be even formed? So, they are not fully confirmed yet. It's just a theory. But what is a theoretical formation of? That means, how can these things theoretically form at all? Yes. So, let's take this black hole. Let's call it alpha. Wait. Alpha. Right. So, the black hole alpha is this guy over here. So now this is not a normal black hole, it is just rotational. Okay. So for this to happen, you might easily just need a rotational black hole. So now somehow, by any chance whatsoever, you must do anything to make the black hole spin very fast. So there's a rate. When the rotational speed of a black hole passes this line, then the event horizon just completely crumbles. It is completely gone, leaving us with a naked singularity. Singularity alpha. Yes. So that's how a theoretical way of these singularities forming. Another way is, this is also very much theoretical. No one has yet found naked singularities yet. Okay. So inside a star, if the star is very massive, more massive than the black hole stars, which were once there in the early universe, the pressure can just pull on itself and create a naked singularity, and the event horizon cannot even form. Yes, that's another outcome of what can happen, but that cannot happen now because those kind of stars don't exist anymore. So sad, rest in peace black hole stars. Okay, so we covered this. But what about the hypothesis about this? So there is one theory which does not approve of these at all. That means kind of not exactly not approve, but kind of tell why we can't even see them at all. So this is the singularity censorship theory. Yes. So we have just a newly formed singularity. This guy over here. Let's just make him a dot. This is singularity alpha again. Is our beautiful singularity which was just formed now, seconds ago. Okay, but why cannot we not see him? So as I said before, it's zero dimensional, and even if it's a ring, it's too thin. But we can still feel light just going around it, right? But we can't. Why though? So this theory says otherwise. That means we can't see it at all. The universe does not let us. And inside this theory itself, there's another sub-theory that completely says that these do not exist at all. That means even if a naked singularity occurs, if a black hole is spinning very fast and its event horizon just goes, gone. So what could happen is the singularity may produce another event horizon. The universe does not, that means never let us see the event horizon at all. The singularity at all. Yes, it will always try to cover the singularity at any time. Yes. So that's kind of weird for the universe to do. Out of every other thing that the universe can do, why is it the universe trying to do this? Why? So yeah, and also if we somehow find this naked singularity, somehow, so if astronomers do their magic and somehow find this, let's take this as alpha, our singularity alpha. So this singularity alpha has been found somehow by the astronomers. So how can it help us? So we can understand how things with infinite density even work, because singularities in their purest definition are just objects with infinite density. Yes, because it has almost infinite gravity, which does not cover the whole universe but just a small region. Yes. So yes, today about naked singularities, how it can help us and how it can be even formed. It's all a theory. It's a theory. It's not fully proven to be true. So yeah, bye.